Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your ECO. Yeah, that's awesome. Energy saving mode is available on that Delonghi Caffe Corso full coffee machine. It's really easy to reach a better energy level with only one button, as you can see. The energy saving mode reduces the energy consumption in compliance with current European regulations, of course. Yeah. To activate or deactivate this mode, the only thing you have to do is press the ECO button while the machine is switched on, of course. After a period of inactivity, if the ECO mode is active, the ECO button light comes on. This mode is active by default. But take care, a few seconds may elapse between the energy saving mode and delivery of the fresh first coffee. Because of the energy saving mode, it is not all day long boiling water in the machine. The machine will only boil up the water if it is necessary. So, to save energy, to protect the earth from collapsing, you can't make anything. Use the ECO mode. Energy saving on your Delonghi Caffe Corso machine. Awesome, isn't it? And easy. Yeah, here you can see we can perform it so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.